Back with another unboxing, this time once again in front of the closet, and also the microphone. I was messing around with the settings. Hopefully the audio is good. Hopefully the audio issues, at least for this video, are fixed. And with that being said, this is an FTP order. This is from the 9/11 drop, so it happened almost a month ago. It's almost exactly a month. Just like 4 days shy of being exactly a month before receiving it. Usually they do take a while to ship and get your package, and this isn't any crazy like wait time or anything out of the ordinary that I've experienced from them. At least I think it's taken longer. I think maybe the max was like 2 months or something before, but this is a big order. I'm not sure if everything's in here because I had like, I want to say 5 different items that I got. I'll be kind of surprised if they did fit it all in here. There should be a hat, a ski mask, some underwear, some shorts, and then some pins. So we'll see if everything fit in there. And other than that, this was like the big drop that FTP had been hyping up for a long time, and then they finally decided to go ahead and release it. It was teased for maybe like a month, and then I think it was originally supposed to be August, and they ended up pushing it back to like early to middle September, and then finally got it. So there's a lot of cool stuff in this. There's still some stuff up on the website. As of today, Zach actually just posted a story saying that they're closing it soon. He was hyping up the backpacks, which there were some good bags in it, so if you guys need one of those, go pick it up. But other than that, let's get this open. So like I said, there's a lot of stuff in here. Should be 5 different items if it is the entire order. Thing I'm most excited for is probably the shorts. Since it's packed tight, I'm trying not to cut too deep. I don't want to cut into anything. But yeah, I'm excited to see the shorts. I hope they're here anyway. Go on vacation soon, so hopefully we get them. Got some FTP stickers. This was actually a design. Hopefully it focuses. This was a design that they used on hoodies this time around. I think it came in this colorway, the white on black, and then also the inverse, or else maybe it was like black on gray. So that's cool. We also have, I'm guessing these are the pins. Set this down. It actually does look like everything's in there, so that's dope. I think some people are still waiting on their orders maybe. I've been seeing a lot of stuff coming through though. Sorry if it's loud too. I'm trying to open these. I also have no idea how big the pins are going to be, but we'll see. Let's see, this is the label saying who packed it. Looks like everything should be in there. Get a nice little FTP pin box. I got some coasters from them a while back and got like a similar box. It's kind of cool. And then these are the pins. So we have the vertical spell out one. Hopefully it focuses. But yeah, we got the vertical spell out one. And then we also have the Boris one, which I was excited for the Boris statue. But when the Boris statue released, which I think they're 10 inches tall, so not super big, but it was $100. It was $100, I think, maybe 110. I think it was $100, but yeah, they had that, and then the other statue, which was like a ghost or like a witch or something like that. But yeah. Anyway, moving on, we have this like cross logo hat, which I thought was interesting that they released this because Supreme just had the cross box logo, and you have like the cross FTP logo going on. I resold this. Unfortunately, my head is like way too big for these hats. I don't know if you guys can tell just by putting it up like that. So if these drop, I usually resell them, use the money to like put towards the other stuff that I got. But yeah, I really love these hats because they have a sunshade that goes all the way around. I think that looks pretty cool. And then they also have a mask that covers the bottom, the mask portion where the mask would go. So I think that's cool. I do like the hat. The cardinal's a cool color. I think these are pretty dope, but I think this was $35 retail and I sold it for $95, I want to say, which is lower than I've sold before. I got just a plain black one like last year or something. Sold it for $110, so these are usually pretty hot items. Get that shipped out later today. Moving on, we have another piece that I have up for resale. I wouldn't mind keeping it. I like ski masks. I think they're dope. But also, especially we could use it in like some facade lookbooks. But we have the FTP ski mask. So right there on the side, you got this big embroidered FTP hit going on. Other than that, it's just a regular ski mask, which the ski masks usually go pretty, or go for like a pretty good amount as well. But yeah, pretty cool, just simple, you know. Embroidered outline logo going on there. And then moving on to the other stuff, we have the FTP Flight Club underwear, which I've never gotten these. I think they release them every drop, just like they release the tees. I think they do like Flight Club tees also. I don't have anything Flight Club either, or Pro Club, I guess. I think Flight Club's for sneakers, but yeah. Just like any other brand, you're gonna get the logo going around, and then on the front you get the Pro Club. That comes in 3 different colorways, so there you guys go if you've never seen those before. And then lastly, the like actual item that I got from this release are these shorts. So this is an all over print, and probably really loud for you guys because it's next to the camera, next to the microphone. But we have these shorts all over. Pretty big. What size did I go with? I went with a medium. Probably would have been fine going with a small, just judging by like how wide it looks. And they are drawstring, which is good. It's an all over print, obviously you guys can tell. But this also dropped on, I think, button-ups they had. Button-ups of this. So I was expecting it to be like a sweatshort material, but it's kind of like maybe a nylon. I don't know if they have the description or anything, but yeah, like you can hear it's kind of like, you know, definitely not a super soft fabric. Maybe you could use these for swimming. I'm not sure if they'd be waterproof or not. There's no inside lining. Like I said, all you have is that drawstring there. You do have pockets on the side and then one pocket in the back, so that's nice. Here's an up close look at it. A very similar red to the cap over there, so if you guys got both of them, you could rock the full fit. But with that being said, let me try these on, let you guys know how the medium fits me. Usually I'm like smaller medium for shorts. All right, let me try to stand up so you guys can see. I feel like this is just like probably this is like a bad position to show off like the items once I try them on. But the waist is actually a good size. As far as length, they go like just above my knees, so not a bad length. I like them. I think they're pretty cool. That's about it. Happy with the purchase. We got a bunch of goodies. Got the pins, all that stuff. Sold the hat already. But yeah, I'll keep the ski mask dead stock. Like I won't wear it or anything for probably like a month or 2. If you guys are interested, leave a comment down below and I can link my Grailed where you guys can go and buy it. Check out the other stuff I got on there. But as always, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.